In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop alerts from Arc Search browser on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have been receiving a lot of notifications or alerts from this app and you wish to put a permanent end to this, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and find your app and then long press on it and then choose App Info option. Now on this app info page, scroll down until you see the permissions section, and under it you should see notifications. If you tap on notifications, this will go ahead and highlight all the types of notifications that are on. Turn off all this. Just go ahead and identify show notifications and toggle it off, and this will turn off all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you never again receive any pop-up notifications from this app unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from Arc Search browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.